Adding final element components is, again, very similar to how you would add a sensor. So on the final elements page, we would simply click add a new final element, and it's going to bring up the previously discussed details page with all of the same, or a lot of the same information as for the sensor. So tags, descriptions, test intervals, voting arrangements, device selection basis, and so on. In this case, you also have the ability to add two different final element interface devices. And again, these are things that reside between the logic solver and the final element. So for final elements, the most common interface device is going to be a solenoid valve that's going to be a transducer between the electric signal and the pneumatic signal. But you might also have things like volume boosters and other hydraulic or pneumatic components that are associated with the final element system. And that will allow the overall subsystem failure rate to be calculated the same way as for sensors. And once again, you see all 5 of the components of the PFD and the spurious trip rate calculations available and ready to be performed for final elements in the same way that they were performed for sensors.